So many people have been complaining that they have been going live and it's not getting views, and you are wondering what is going on. Maybe you have followed my procedure on how to go live, how to do your silent live streaming, and you have been doing this and it's not getting views. That means you have been doing it the wrong way. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you how to fix this thing, the 5 things you are doing wrong and how to fix them. Yes, in this video, that is what I'm going to be showing you, how you are going to fix this things that you are doing wrongly and what you are doing wrongly. Now, before we get into this video, my name is Blessing and I teach tips and strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel and how to monetize and make money on this YouTube street. And if this is the video you have been looking for, kindly hit the subscribe button so it will not be your last, so you get notified on when I upload a new video. Now let's get into this video. The first thing you are doing, the very first thing you are doing when you are trying to do a live stream, when you are trying to do, whether it's a live stream, whether it's a normal live or a silent live stream, that is, the normal live is the one that you go live and you are talking to your audience face to face, while the silent live stream is the one that you put in a picture and using the green screen. Whichever one you are doing, first of all, you are putting your stream on private and unlisted. Yes, you are not editing it the proper way. You've put in your stream as unlisted, because when you go to your YouTube studio, the desktop version, your channel is automatically set as unlisted. So whenever you go live and you did not go back and set it as public, your live stream will not count. That is, you're not going to get anybody viewing that live stream. You just see that you are just there and there and there for hours and nobody has joined your live stream. That is what is going on. So what you need to do is that click on the pencil icon right here whenever you are trying to go live. Before you click on go live, click on the pencil icon and change your audience to public. Change your audience to public immediately. Remove it from unlisted or private and change it to public, because that default setting you have in your YouTube studio is a default setting for whenever you want to upload any video on YouTube. So if you don't remember to change it to public, it's going to remain on private or unlisted and nobody's going to view your videos. That's how you're not getting views or subscribers on your live stream. Now, the second thing you are doing, which is very wrong, is you are using a boring thumbnail, or you are not using any thumbnail at all. If you are in my type of niche, you need to use a thumbnail that is very catchy. You need to use a thumbnail that people can be able to click on this live stream and want to listen to what you are saying, especially your thumbnail. When you are going live and you're not using any thumbnail at all, you are just setting yourself up for nothing, because people do not know why you are live. People do not have a thumbnail, do not have an idea. First of all, people click on what they see. People click on what they see. Yes, if they see that your thumbnail is very catchy, they'll click on your live stream and you will get views. So what you need to do is you need to go to your Canva or any other app you're using to create your thumbnail. Create a new thumbnail for your live stream. Make sure that you do a new thumbnail specifically for your live streaming. And it's just like you are doing a thumbnail for your long videos or for your shorts or for your long videos. Try and make sure that you are designing a new thumbnail for your live stream and make it very catchy and make it very interesting for people to want to click on that thumbnail so that you can be able to get views. Now, the third thing, and this one is very important, that you are doing very wrongly, is that you are using a bad title. First of all, many of you use the default title that comes with your live streaming, that is grow with Blessing is life. That is the default title that YouTube has given to you, and many of you do not even change it to anything searchable or clickable. You just leave it that way and you then go live. No, that is not how you are supposed to do it. What you are supposed to do in this situation is you are going to re-edit that title to a searchable title for your video. That is, if you are in my niche, you are going to write 1K subscriber, 4K watch hour, strategies on how to get it, then people are going to look at that title and say, okay, this person is trying to teach us a new trick on how to get 1,000 subscriber or 4,000 watch hour, and they want to click on that live stream to listen to you. That is how you are going to get views on your videos, because if you do not make your titles searchable, it's not going to get views. If you are in the entertainment niche or anything, put in a very clickable title, a searchable title, where anybody that see you that you are live streaming will want to join your live stream. That is how you'll be able to get views on your live stream. Now the fourth one, and this one is, you are doing it very, very well. You are doing it always. You are making your live stream too short. You are making your live stream too short. You cannot just come live for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and then click away. You are not going to get views by doing that. What have you said in your live stream? What have you done in your live stream? Whether it is silent live stream or it is a normal live stream, you are not supposed to do it short. You are supposed to go beyond 1 hour to 6 hours. Any live stream that is beyond 12 hours will not be counted. The live stream watch hour will not be counted, so make sure that you do not exceed 12 hours, but make sure that your live stream is extended for a very long time, so that whenever you have 1,000 views on that live stream that is over 6 hours, you'll be surprised that you are going to get over 300 to 400 watch hour, because that live stream is more, that is, the live stream time is more. That is the secret to getting views and getting more watch hour on your live stream. Now the fifth one, and this is the final one that you are always doing that is not making your live stream to get views, is you are going live the wrong time. First of all, as a YouTuber, you need to know your posting time. You need to know when your subscribers are online. You need to know when they are engaged and when they are always on with their phone watching YouTube. That is when you too, you are always with your phone watching YouTube, especially if you want to target audience that are in top first world country. So make sure that you are posting your live, whether it is silent live stream, whether it's your normal live stream. Make sure you are going live when every other person is in their comfort zone to want to watch live stream, or they are streaming on YouTube. Don't go live in the morning when people have already gone to their various workplace, or people are already engaged with one or two things that is giving them their daily bread. Do not go live in that time. That is why you're not getting views on your videos. So what you are going to do is always make sure that you know that you are going live at the peak of the time that these people are always watching videos on YouTube. That is 1 p.m. to 5 p.m., sometimes 8 p.m. to 10 a.m. That is when you can go live. That is your local time. And also check that when you are, also make sure that when you are going live, make sure that you also consider other zones, other regions that are also watching you. That is the east, and that is the USA, the Canada, and the Australian time. Make sure that you are considering them when you are also going live, and this is going to make your live streaming to get a lot of views and a lot of traction. And that is how you are going to fix your live streaming that isn't getting views. And if you have watched this video to this very end, make sure you click the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, and also share this video to other creators that are also going through the same thing. And then if you want to get your 4,000, you want to know how to go do your silent live streaming the right way, click on this video, and then I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.